Good morning, Live Good Cagayan de Oro. Congratulations sa Grand Cecil nyo. Congratulations sa ating mga coaches. Coach June Labis ng Team Alpha CDO, Coach Eva Gayranod of Team Life Changer, Coach my idol Kirk Arocha of Team Unstoppable Worldwide, who make this event possible. It is my honor to be part of this event, and I am looking forward to be there and see you soon. I am Judah Horda, your upline diamond from Tacloban City. Dati, pangarap ko lang maging pioneer ng isang US company. Ngayon, pioneer tayo sa buong mundo. We are only 750,000 global affiliates. Please, take advantage of that. Naghahanap ako ng generous compensation plan. Eto na yun. Wala kang choice, kikita at kikita ka. Naghahanap ako yung pwede sa mga mahiyain at baguhan sa mundo ng MLM. Eto na yun. Andyan ang Dream Makers Worldwide System of our Crown Diamond, Coach Fernan, na hindi mo na kailangan maging magaling para kumita. Take advantage of the system meron yun tayo. Pinadali ang negosyo natin. All you have to do is invite them to Zoom and follow the system. Monday to Saturday, 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. Malulupit na mga speaker ang magsasalita for you. Kung meron po sobrang typeful kay Livegood, ako po yon. Na-invite at nag-diamond po ako sa Livegood while nasa loob ng kulungan. Opo, nasa loob po ako ng kulungan. It's a perfect business. Kaya nyong mag-live good kahit saan po kayo. Ano man estado nyo sa buhay, estudyante, OFW, katulong, driver, construction worker, sabayan nyo lang ng sipag at tiyaga at pangarap sa pool. Kung naabot ko po pangarap ko in uncomfortable situation, matanong kita, ano po excuses nyo? Kung kinaya ko, I'm sure kaya nyo rin. It only shows na doable and duplicable yung Live Good opportunity. Alam nyo magkano earning ng diamond? Minimum of 500,000 a month lang naman. Pwede na ba extra income habang nakakulong? Siyempre, pwede. Paano maging diamond sa Live Good? Simple and duplicable. 3-10-20 pipeline. Sa buong career nyo kay Live Good, you only need 3 business partner to hit diamond. Yes, 3 tao lang po in 10 days. Natutulungan mo din makahanap ng 3 in 10 days. In 4 months, you are diamond. Our job is to get 3, help 3, then repeat. It is the road to diamond. Guys, let me tell you again and again. This will not cost you a lot, but it will surely change your life. Do this, not for yourself. Gawin mo ito para sa mga taong mahal mo sa buhay. Think of their future. This will be your legacy na may iwan sa kanila. Let me say thank you to our Almighty God, and syempre to our coaches na walang sawang mag-present gabi-gabi. Coach Fernan of Dream Makers Worldwide, I look up on you. Thank you for taking care of our business and the Blue Dragon team. Again, I am Coach Judah Horda, Diamond Leader, founder of Blue Dragon Team. See you at the top. Bye-bye!